How can you avoid arithmetic errors calculating quadrilateral area? Imagine trying to measure the size of a four-sided shape and ending up with the wrong number because of small mistakes. That can be frustrating, but there are simple ways to prevent those errors. When working with quadrilaterals, it is important to be careful at every step. First, always identify what kind of quadrilateral you are dealing with. Is it a square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, rhombus, or kite? Each shape has its own formula for finding the area. Using the wrong one can lead to mistakes. Next, double-check all your measurements. Make sure your side lengths, heights, diagonals, and angles are accurate. Also, confirm they are all in the same units, like centimeters or meters. Mixing units can cause errors in your calculations. If the shape is irregular or you only know some sides and angles, try splitting it into two triangles by drawing a diagonal. Then, find the area of each triangle separately. You can use Heron's formula, which needs the three side lengths, or the formula involving diagonals and the sine of the included angle. Adding these two areas gives the total quadrilateral area. When using formulas with diagonals and angles, be sure to measure the angle correctly. For example, the area formula with diagonals involves multiplying half of the product of the diagonals by the sine of the angle between them. Forgetting or mismeasuring this angle can cause errors. Also, verify which sides are the bases and which are the heights, especially for trapezoids and parallelograms. For trapezoids, the area is half of the sum of the two parallel sides times the height. Using the wrong sides or the wrong height will give you the wrong answer. When using a calculator, input your numbers carefully. Make sure you convert angles to degrees or radians, depending on what your calculator needs. Always double-check your entries before pressing equals. To sum up, start by correctly identifying the shape and its formula. Confirm all measurements are accurate and in the same units. For irregular shapes, divide them into triangles and find their areas separately. When using diagonal and angle formulas, measure the angles carefully. Verify the correct sides are used as bases and heights. And always input your numbers carefully into your calculator. Following these steps will help you avoid mistakes and make calculating quadrilateral areas much easier and more accurate.